Hello everyone, my name's Chris Mortimer from Crism Security, and today is Free Advice Friday. Now then, this weekend's going to be a lovely...
Dring dring, dring dring,
Hang on.
dring dring.
Hello.
Oh Chris, I'm stuck in traffic. I'm not going to get back in time. I should be calling in for the bread cakes, the onions and mustard. Can you just pop down to the corner shop before it shuts?
Yeah, no worries. I've got the bangers on, but I'll come down now. Now I've not cracked open a tin yet, so I'll take the car.
Go.
Oh, would be stupid not to lock the door, wouldn't it? Now, we all get a bit excited, it's sunny, but can you see what we did there? Watch the video back and just see the open windows, which I didn't shut. It only takes a minute, so please shut all your windows and make your house secure. And then the only thing that's likely to ruin your weekend is probably the sausages.